Build and apply Organizer Template. Organizer templates designed to help you gather information smarter, faster, and with all the flexibility your workflow needs. You can create your own organizer template, copy one from the library, or visit the marketplace to find a template that suits your needs and customize it to your liking. Let's open a template we got from the marketplace. You can edit every detail: the organizer name, section titles, questions, and text blocks, or even add new ones. When adding a new question, you can select its type. Let's go over the different options. Free entry allows your client to enter text freely. Email, for entering an email address. Number, only numerical input is allowed. Date, requires the client to input a date. Radio buttons, lets them choose one option from a list. Checkboxes, allows selection of multiple options. Drop-down, expands to show a list from which they can select one or more items. Yes or no, provides a simple yes-no choice. File upload, lets the client upload a document directly into the organizer. You can further customize each question to fit your workflow. Let's look at the question settings. You can make a question mandatory, allow pre-fill to save your client's time. Set conditions. Add a description. Enable tag updates. Once you're done editing, use the preview option to see how it will appear to your clients. When everything is ready, the template can be sent. If you want to double-check the final result, you can use the preview again from this window. If you've already sent the organizer but notice a mistake, you can still edit the template. Updates will apply even to organizers that have already been sent, unless the client has already started filling it out. In that case, the changes won't take effect.